kok buang sampah sembarangan sih? Daripada dibuang sampah sembarangan, ini sebenarnya bisa di-recycle loh.
Ya nih gue lagi males buang sampah, bener-bener nggak ada tempat sampah, jauh, males.
Iya, di-recycle jadi buat batu bata.
Oh gitu ya. Ya udah deh, gue buang sampah yang bener dulu. Makasih ya San udah ngingetin.
Plastic waste management is one example of different means that can be done in order to achieve economic sustainability. But first, what is economic sustainability? Economic sustainability refers to practices that support the long-term economic development of a company or nation while also protecting environmental, social, and cultural elements. Being used so commonly all over the world, the waste generated from the use of the element is enormous. This waste, if not managed properly, has numerous ill effects on the environment and living beings. It has been estimated that there are approximately 5.2 million pieces of plastic debris in oceans, with almost 2.69 tons floating on the surface. According to the statistics, 1 million marine creatures die from getting entangled in plastic. Approximately 1 million seabirds die every year by swallowing plastics. The most dead creatures include sea turtles, who mistake plastics as a food source and hence blocking their food pipes. Other species including seals, sea lions, albatrosses, and many others. If we don't manage the plastic waste very well, then the ocean's ecosystem will be damaged and eventually habitats will extinct. Who should be involved in doing this economic sustainability? Everyone could participate, but the government has to be involved too in supporting the society to forego the plastic waste management program.
So, when should we start to do that? We must start the plastic waste management as fast as we can, because there has been a lot of plastic waste scattered on Earth, and there have also been many victims due to plastic waste that is not recycled. We can train people by start giving or showing infographic information related to economic sustainability. One example of plastic waste management is by recycling plastics into bricks. This innovation came from a young woman in Kenya, because there was so much plastic waste that the TPA reached its limit, and the plastic waste kept coming. Compared to other materials, these bricks are cheaper and affordable. A pallet of 400 plastic papers can sell for up to $150, depending on thickness. The company says that's about 25% cheaper than bricks made from concrete. However, this invention can't tackle a mountain of trash that large. So far, the factory has recycled 50 metric tons of waste last year, but the plastic waste that are produced is 6 times higher. Indeed, this innovation has an impact, but we need to do more innovation to manage the plastic waste.